Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In just a minute here, we're gonna get into underneath my kitchen sink cabinet. It was pretty organized for the most part, but it's been a while and there's some stuff that I wasn't using. I just wanted to change things up a little bit. I grabbed a couple organizers that I was using upstairs in my bathroom, brought them down. Felt like I needed to rearrange the way I was storing things a little bit. And I got some new microfiber cleaning cloths. I saw these and I was like, you know what? I'm due for some new towels, and I ordered them right up. So let's get into it. I'm gonna start out by just cleaning underneath. For some reason, there's like crumbs, there's all kinds of weird stuff, and just really wiping it down and giving it a good clean. And I'm putting in the things that I really want to fit the best first. So my little hand vac, I have to put it to the left, obviously, because there's an outlet there. This thing is a must-have. I'll link it down below. It is awesome. And I wanted to keep it just tucked away and really nice. This nice little wire organizer I got from At Home with Nikki. I think she recommended it like several years ago. And I just put like my floor mops in it. I'm going to put some of my gloves in it and stuff like that. Just kind of play around and see what fits the best. So these cute little storage containers actually are meant to hold pictures, I believe, but I thought they'd be perfect for keeping my gloves. And I used to have liners in these bins, but I just feel like it looks a little bit more aesthetically pleasing without them. So I'm gonna put my disinfectant wipes in one, and then in the other one, I'm gonna put like my cleaning rags and my Swiffer dusters. These are actually food storage containers. I'd been putting my dish pods and like magic erasers and stuff in them for a while now. And then I grabbed a couple of the organizers that I wasn't using up in my bathroom, and I'm gonna keep like extra sponges and wand refills for doing like dishes and stuff. And I'm just using my little handheld label maker. I'll link it down below. I just put it on like all the containers. It's really easy to remove and stuff like that. If you see, I keep getting distracted by the TV. I'm watching Jeannie and Georgia on Netflix. It is so good. Highly recommend if you haven't seen it yet. I figured the best way to store the towels would be to kind of roll them up. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. And then I'm just gonna tuck my duster refills in the back. I quickly realized that the wipes need to be moved over to the other side because of the way the sink goes. It just wasn't fitting properly. Now I'm moving on to the other side with most of like my cleaning products and sprays. These are just my 3 spray bottles that I use for everything. Vinegar, soap and water, and then rubbing alcohol. And then I'm just putting like my dish stuff. I'm trying to keep everything in the front that I use the most often, and then stuff that I don't use as frequently tucked away in the back. I forgot about the stuff that I need to tuck away in the back, like carpet powder, Scotch Guard, stuff like that that I really don't reach for as much. So we don't have any carpeting in the house, but I do have several area rugs. So once a month or so, I like to just freshen them up with a little bit of carpet powder. So here it is, all complete. Definitely ended up taking out the liners. I just felt like it looks a little nicer, a little bit more uniform. I got my disinfectant wipes in this bin. Very similar setup on this side to what I had before, but I just had a lot of stuff that I wasn't really using that much. And we have our gloves, mine, and then the large ones for my husband. I put my Swiffer, the wet mops, back there, and then my garbage bags. And these are the best, like, comfort gloves. They go up to your elbows, and they're so nice. I don't know if they make these exact ones anymore, but I'll link them down below in case you're in the market for a really good pair of gloves. I kept my detergent pods right in the front, and then my magic erasers in the back, and then my stainless steel wipes since I'm using these a lot, and then the soft cleanser. I wanted to get like as much use as I could and just really kind of use up the whole entire height of under the sink as well. I got my sponges, my wand refills. And these are like my 3 everyday go-to. This is just a little soap and water, vinegar. Then that is actually like a DIY glass cleaner with like rubbing alcohol. Then I have like my disinfectant spray, and then just some other sprays and things that I use. Put my carpet powders way in the back because I don't reach for them as much. Same with like that type of a duster and my Scotch Guard. And then one of the main things that I really wanted to be able to fit under here, because it was up on the counter and it just looked like an eyesore. I was like, what if I could get that to fit under the cabinet sink? So then it's just tucked away and everything looks nice and neat. This is my Shark little hand vac. This thing is awesome. I got it on sale from, I think, like Walmart, but it's perfect to have in the kitchen. If there's like a little mess, you can just quickly clean it up. So that is it. I hope you guys like this reorganization. I will put up on the screen a couple other of my organization videos. I've done a ton over the past 3 years. If you're new here, my channel focuses on everything from like organization, lifestyle, cleaning, to I do like a bunch of beauty related content too. So a little bit of everything for everyone, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys.